just wanted to provide some perspective on this review. All right, so this is the second tool that I've ordered. I returned the first one for the exact same reason, but I wanted to show you this is a genuine RYOBI battery, 4 amp hour with full power, right? So there's no problems with this battery. Okay, there's no way this tool that's supposed to have 35 foot-pounds of pressure should be able to be stopped with 2 fingers. This is 2 in a row. I'm returning it. I'll never buy another one. And this is coming from a guy that has an arsenal of RYOBI 18-volt battery tools.